So the fourth topic is literally YouTube SEO. So what SEO simply means is search engine optimization, and YouTube SEO is simply making sure your videos shows up in search result. For example, if you literally come to YouTube search bar and put in how to make money online, just click on anyone here, how to make money online, you're not going to see that there are lots of ads here. You start to see ads on the first search result right here, but that's not the main reason here. And if you actually scroll down here, you're going to see that there are lots of people ranking for this keyword, how to make money online. So if I literally put in the search term, or anyone looking to make money online literally put in the search term, how to make money online, you're going to see lots of videos right here. And as long as your videos are actually ranking here, you're going to start getting views straight to your videos. And that's one of the best efforts that you can actually do is YouTube SEO. Optimize your videos so they literally shows up on YouTube search result, and that way you don't even have to promote your videos anymore, because anyone looking for these keywords that you're actually ranking for, they're actually going to find your video, and you're going to get more views, you're going to get more subscribers, you're going to get more comments on your videos, and your channel gets to grow as well. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can optimize your video, how you can get seen right here on YouTube search result. And for you to literally optimize your videos on YouTube, it actually comes down to using two tools. So you can use either one of these two, and the first one here is called vidIQ, and you can see right here it literally says designed to boost your YouTube views, and this is one out of these two, and lots of YouTubers are actually using either one of these or the other one I'm going to show you now. So all you need to do is just put in tubebuddy.com/thewave and click on enter right there, and it's going to actually take you to tubebuddy.com. So it's going to take you to this page here where you get to see TubeBuddy, and you get to see this writing here which says your best friend on the road to YouTube success. So these two, either one of these two is actually going to help you to actually optimize your videos and make you to get viral, to get seen, to actually get your videos more views. And lots of YouTubers, including myself, are actually using any one of these two right here. So you can use this one as well. They actually do almost the same functions, but I actually prefer the vidIQ because it's actually easier for me, and most people prefer TubeBuddy because it's also easier for them to use. And here you can see it says your best friend on the road to YouTube success. So for you to literally use this tool here, they also have a free Chrome extension that you can literally install right here, which is free. And all you need to do is just click on sign in here. That's if you want to sign in. You want to sign up on TubeBuddy here, just click on sign in, and it's going to literally take you to a page where you get to actually sign in with your Gmail account or with your Google account. So for you to actually sign in here, you need to just click on here which says I've read and agreed to the privacy policy, I've read and agreed to the terms of use, and click on sign in with Google. So that way you get to sign in using Google right here. So I'm now going to go back to the other tool here. This one is vidIQ, and here it is designed to boost your YouTube views. Get free insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing. So YouTubers literally use these tools, use either of these two, this one here or this one, to literally grow their YouTube channel. And I'm now going to show you exactly how you can get these two for literally free, how you can use it for free and grow your YouTube channel, where you get to the point where you get more views, more subscribers, and your channel gets to literally grow as well. To signing in to your vidIQ Pro account, that's when you actually get the free version of vidIQ. All you just need to do is just come right here where it actually says keywords. Just click on keywords right there. And after clicking on keywords, you're going to now see all these stuff literally on your screen, and you can see a lot of search volume right here. You can see some keyword here, and you can see the search volume. And this tool is very, very good because it actually gives you in-depth insights to actually know the search volume of a specific keyword, and that way you get to know if the competition for that keyword is literally low or if it's actually high. So I'm still going to show you exactly how everything is done and in this part of this video. So before you actually start creating videos, it's advisable you actually come to a tool like this, vidIQ or TubeBuddy, to actually make sure you do your keyword research very, very well, and you make sure that whatever keyword that you're actually trying to rank, or whatever title you're actually trying to use for your video, actually has lots of search volume. So the best way to actually do this is to come to the keyword here and put in the search keyword. So for example, if I want to create videos around how to get free Amazon gift card, I need to actually check if people are actually searching for those keywords. So afterwards, all you need to do is just click on enter, and you're now going to see this icon here. If it literally shows you green, it means the keyword is it's above average and it's actually a good one. And if I actually click on that button there, and here you can literally see that how to get free Amazon gift cards competition is literally very low, which is actually very, very good. And the best type of keywords that you can target are the ones that actually have the very low competition, like this one here, very low. You can see the search volume right here. This one has 146,836. That's free Amazon gift card code. This is actually a very good keyword right here. But in a situation when you actually search for a keyword and you actually see that the competition is high, you can see right here it's actually telling you that it's high, so you can never rank for this keyword, because that's if you actually just create a new YouTube channel, you're never going to rank for this keyword because the competition is very, very high. So you want to make sure you actually stay and avoid keywords like this, because they're actually going to not make your videos rank, because there are other YouTubers that are ranking for that keyword, YouTubers with millions of views, millions of subscribers. So there's no way your channel is actually going to get seen, or your video is going to get seen. So you also want to make sure you actually avoid this one here. If you actually see the one with yellowish sign here, it's actually not a good one. It means the competition is also strict and stiff. And the best type of keyword that you can target is this one here that are actually literally green here. You can see I actually prefer to go from anywhere from 66, 69, 70, 67 as well. All these ones with green, they're actually telling you that it's actually a very good keyword and you can definitely rank for it. Another example, if you literally put in the term how to get free followers on TikTok and you literally click on enter, it's now going to show you all these stuff right here, and you can see here it actually says, it's showing you the yellow sign here that the competition here is actually medium, and this is actually not a very good keyword for you to literally rank for, because there are lots of people that are actually creating videos around this topic. And you can see the only one here that is actually green is actually this one here, which says free TikTok followers, and you can see that the competition here is low, and that's the only keyword. And you can see the rest are actually yellow, and you can see right here. So make sure you actually avoid all this keyword, because you're not going to rank in the long run. You're not going to actually rank for this keyword. So if I actually did not know this type of tool right here, if I don't use this type of tool, I would have created videos around free TikTok or how to grow on TikTok, and I'm gonna now see that the video is actually not going to get any views, because other YouTubers are actually ranking for this keyword here. So you want to make sure you do your keyword research. It's very, very important, and that's one of the things that's actually going to make you go viral on YouTube. That's when you actually target keywords that the competitions are literally very low. So another example of keyword research right here is how to cook rice, and you can see here that the competition is obviously high and there's no way you're going to rank for this keyword. And you can see everything is literally very, very high. So keywords like this, they're actually not going to get you views. So make sure you actually avoid keywords like this. And the reason I'm actually explaining this to you guys is, once you actually know YouTube SEO, once you know how to